Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha Skhim palay jong katayo Myntri Khmih ke Sorkar India ubadai Khmih ya katanat new and renewable energy ubhagwan Kuba ulawan man yu Kjat hanong ston West Khasi Hills ban Khmih Bñiah ban Shimjing Khen halor ke rukom pentre kam ni Skhim ba pher bala baitingkar ke Sorkar Khmih apo ki shnong ba pher jong ke district bat ke jelaru kumjo nakal yang menteri hakni ke sniu le kenduri ke officer na kitanat Sorkar ba pher ke badan hapo ke district da ka ba panjing sharu halor ka jing pentre kam ni Skhim jong ka Sorkar Khmih shisho hakni ke sni hadin ka jingalang bat ki officer uni menteri Khmih ula shongru ye ka jingalang bat ki nong sen shar shnong ba lej jurip ya ka maukawa aganwadi center Sipsing Memorial Government High Secondary School ba di ka Mauli Health Sub Center habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Myntri Khmih ulia thu baka jingwan jong ugalong ban pej bat Khmih Bñiah halor ke jing pentre kam ya ki Skhim Sorkar ha West Khasi Hills shushulo ongru baka jela jong ka thain setela mingi kari India kila syai ben baro sikata Henry Hadin bo Narendra Modi ulalong ku menteri rang bado jong kari kini ki jela ki bakin thup ya ka Meghalaya kila yo pdiang ni shi bon ki kampen roi naga Sorkar Khmih ulia thoru bahadin ke jingalang ban Khmih Bñiah bat ki officer lalap baka jing pentre kam ni ki Skhim Sorkar ke jela bat ke district ki long ki bapiang wala kila don katto kat ni ki jing duna Henry lala apat ban ya keren ke benta kumno ban penbit penbiang ye ki jing duna
whatever they are facing to implement the scheme, immediately we are addressing those challenges, these problems. Because of that, all Northeast region citizens now feeling that yes, we are developing at par with the other state of the India. So now all infrastructures, even in Northeast regions, there are many disturbances earlier, but our government has taken a very bold step to respect everybody's feelings and everybody's aspirations. Because of that, now Northeast region citizens are very happy with the central government, with coordination with state government schemes are implementing. So because of that, here each and every citizen have took benefit of central government, either in Ayushman Bharat, either in ration distribution, either in Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi, either in Poshan Abhiyan, either in infrastructure, in health sector, education sector, road sector, and in Gram Panchayat villages for poor getting Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana houses. So every citizen is now getting benefit of central government as well as state government. So Northeast states are neglected up to 2014. After 2014, become Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Special focus for the development, special attention for the welfare of the Northeast states citizens. So, since 2014, these Northeast states, including Meghalaya, development has taken very much. All the infrastructure development like national highways, village connectivity, in village good roads, drainages for rural people or urban people, good quality drinking water through tap. Now, in the span of 9 years, the Northeast has emerged as equal to other developed state of India. Earlier, the northeast people, including Meghalaya people, they are thinking that Delhi bahut dur hai, Delhi is so far. But now, whole India, for the northeast region, now it has come very close to the heart of every citizen of northeast region peoples. Because it happened in every month or fortnight, union minister visit to every state to review the central government schemes and water. So every citizen is now getting benefit of central government as well as state government. So today I have reviewed all the department schemes. Very much I am satisfied with the schemes implementing here state government and district administration, and they have some challenges and problems. We have addressed how to tackle those challenges and problems. So my best wishes to the district administration and citizen of this district. Thank you.